Welcome to week 7 of a weekly series where I bet 20,000 satoshis worth of Bitcoin on 3 NFL picks and then make a parlay with those 3 picks. I'm picking the teams that I think are most likely to win regardless of odds. I'll show my stats from week to week, and the best thing about this is that there's no investment involved. So if you're interested in free sports predictions to get some free Bitcoin, please use the link that I provided in the description. And so far you can see that I'm 15-9 with $132.50 won and $50.09 lost. My first pick is the Kansas City Chiefs over the Las Vegas Raiders. The Kansas City Chiefs looked really good last week. Mahomes looked awesome. The defense looked like it's finally coming together. And the Raiders have just been pretty bad all year. With this being a home game for the Chiefs, I think it's a no-brainer. My next pick is the Green Bay Packers over the Arizona Cardinals. Kyler Murray hurt his foot recently, and he's either not going to be 100% or they're going to have to turn to their backup Jacoby Brissett, who is just awful in my opinion. But either way, I think the Packers bring enough pass rush and have enough offense to take care of this easily. And my last pick is the New England Patriots over the Tennessee Titans. Now, I normally wouldn't pick a team like the Patriots. I'm not sure exactly who they are yet, but their head coach used to coach the Tennessee Titans, and I think he's going to want some revenge, and I think they're going to blow them out of the water. Which means my parlay is the Kansas City Chiefs, Green Bay Packers, and New England Patriots, betting 5,000 sats to win 9,725. And as always, for legal purposes, I have to say that this is only for entertainment purposes only, and while Ember does allow you to make sports predictions without having to put in any of your real money, I do have to point this out. But anyways, I'll see you guys next week. Hopefully we hit our parlay and go 4-0.